everything that we plan on doing this summer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me, and I'm also going to be giving you an update on the projects that we're going to be doing this summer with our front porch and our front yard and all the hedges and the bushes and everything that y'all have been saying that I should have cut down. I'm going to give you the full rundown of everything that we plan on doing for this summer. And also I just want to thank everyone who has joined my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
So I had to go in and just wipe everything down because I did use the leaf blower to blow off some of the pollen, but this stuff was sticking, and I think it's just because of the rain that we've been having. And of course I have my sidekick there who's always there, Cooper. He's always nearby wherever I am.
When I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows on.
So I was going to just do like blowing off the porch, but I'm going to show you the porch again. It did not budge, and I think it's because it's been like raining these past couple of days, like thunderstorms and tornadoes and all that stuff. And so I think it's like caked on into the porch, the pollen is. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put my rain boots on and just wash the porch off so it can come off that way. But I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can kind of see the porch. So I turned the camera around for you guys so you can see it. I was gonna talk during that clip, but my dad was cutting grass and I figured you probably couldn't hear me. So this is what the porch still looks like with me using the leaf blower. So I'm just gonna use my mop and just give the porch a good mopping.
I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go.
So we just got the Dawn spraying soap, and so I figured I would try it out on the porch and just kind of spray the porch and see how good it works, because usually I do use soap and water whenever I clean off the porch, and so I figured that this would work just as good, and it did.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time.
Oh, if you're liking this video so far, please go ahead and push that like button. It helps my channel out so much. And also you can leave me an emoji down in the comment section just so I know that you are still enjoying it.
I love you when I'm here. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anyone who may be new. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, decluttering, anything that's homemaking, makeovers. I do all those types of videos. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19.
it's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry.
So the mop that I was using was just a mop that I got from the Dollar Tree, and now I'm just washing out the porch, and then I realized there was pollen like all over the shutters. So you'll see me go ahead and just wash down the shutters to get those kind of nice and clean as well, because y'all, the pollen here in Alabama is real. Like, it is everywhere and it's sticking on everything.
We got this.
So now we're just moving along to my Dollar Tree DIY. I actually found these from the Dollar Tree, and I saw Do It on a Dime find these flower pots, and they were pretty big, and so I didn't like the color of them. So I just went ahead and used the spray paint to spray paint them and give them a fresh coat of the black, and I think they turned out so cute.
Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when I'm you got nothing to prove, oh, baby, I know. We got this.
So now I'm just about to put these flowers into the pot, and I really wanted some ferns this year, but they were $12, and I was definitely not about to pay that much because, for one thing, I'm not good with flowers or any type of plants. So I found these plants here from Walmart, and they were only like $5.97. So I just ended up getting those just to be the green on the porch. And then I got the other flowers from Lowe's, and I just took them apart and kind of spread them out and mixed them up just to kind of get more for my money.
Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about it's not about us.
So now that the porch is finally dried off, I'm going to go ahead and move everything back onto the porch and kind of set it up how we had it. And then I'm going to start the decorating part.
Falls on you, but you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So now I'm going to show you the kind of overview of everything that I did in this video, and then after that I'm going to go into more deep detail of the plans that we have for this summer. And I'm just so excited to share with y'all what we have planned, and I just can't wait to actually get it done. Okay, now I'm going to take the time before I end this video to show you everything that we plan on doing this summer. And we know it's going to be lots and lots of hard work, but we are excited and we're hoping that we can do it on our own and we won't have to get a landscaper to do it. But I'm going to turn the camera around and just kind of walk you through the plans for our yard and for our porch area. Okay, so this is the porch right here, and then all of this we plan on pulling up, and so all of that will be pulled up, even that over there will be pulled up, and we just want to pull it up, and we're gonna put in some flowers and just a little flower bed. And yeah, we just want to make it more inviting, and we want our porch area to be seen a little bit more than how you can see it now. So I know everybody kept saying, I wish you would pull up those hedges, I wish y'all would trim those down, and we are planning to. We just could not do that in that project because the porch took forever to do. Like, it took us months to get that done because I started back working, and my parents can't do that kind of labor because they're older, and so I would have to work on it when I got off from work, and so it just took a lot longer than what we expected. But we absolutely love it. We spend so much more time out here and just hang out on the porch and everything. But again, we're gonna get all that done. We're so excited to get that started, and we're hoping, again, fingers crossed, that we can do it ourselves so we don't have to contract out to get a landscaper. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss any more of my uploads and all the makeovers I have planned for this summer and for, you know, the next few months. So anyways, and you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Even if you try, you